A, B, and C, D, E, F, G. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel!
You mean my channel?
I mean our channel.
Yeah. I know. Sorry, Dad.
Anyways, definitely my channel.
Definitely
My channel, guys.
My channel.
Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and watch our videos, please. Because we're trying to hit 1K right up.
And subscribe to my channel too.
Well, you didn't even got a channel.
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh, okay.
We have 2 channels with me and Nadia.
Yeah, he definitely got a channel.
Yeah.
Anyways, look at our special hat.
Mine don't do anything.
Yeah, but his is like a swim hat.
And I don't like Dragon Ball, right?
You do.
No, I don't.
He's pretending. Anyways,
I'm not anything.
he loves Dragon Ball. My dad is
I
literally, my
I
dad
don't
loves.
love that.
Okay, let me talk, boy. My dad loves Dragon Ball. Like literally loves. Literally, I'm telling you, not like love. And yeah, his favorite is Goku, something like that. Anyway.
It's Goku.
Yeah.
You said it.
Okay, boy. And then this is my hat, the cutest of them all.
I know.
Yes. It's those popular hats on TikTok, whatever. I ain't doing it. It's me. Then you get this this pause right here, and then you could press this. We got my Melody from Hello Kitty, and it lights up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but
And we do 3 different ways.
yeah. So, anyways, we got another Ryan's World toy from our last video. You guys know that we opened a Ryan's World toy, so. This is literally my favorite Ryan's World toy. I'm literally gonna steal it from him. I'm literally gonna put random stuff inside and just spin the freaking wheel.
No! How dare you?
I'm not gonna steal it from him. Anyways, we got the best toy in the world. I love you. Fake kisses. I'm not gonna actually kiss this thing.
I know I am.
Yeah, and I thought I was crazy. Anyways, so we got orange, yellow, white, blue, green. Orange is behind here. Then yellow, then white, then blue, then green.
Orange.
Right here.
And you're doing
I'm so excited to open this. I'm gonna cry. Anyways.
Yes, open it. 3, 2, 1.
Wait. In the back of it, it comes with 1 mystery wheel, which we read, 10 game cards, 6 my figures, 3 bouncy balls, 1 mystery sticker matchup game, and make your own game card pad.
Pad?
It's like a, never mind.
That's cool.
This is my hair, guys. For all the girls, you know you want this hair.
I know you want this hair.
Anyway, guys. Oh, I'm so excited to open it!
Yes! Now, magic! And 3, 2, 1.
Literally. Bye. No one likes you. Well,
I said we don't use
I like
magic. And we know. Who has magic? I don't. So,
yeah. You guys can find this at Walmart and Target.
I know. Except that robot.
There's more plastic. Let me just use my magic scissors.
I know.
Orange.
I know. Okay.
That was satisfying.
I know. Bye. That was a Edelman.
How's it still plastic?
We need more toys.
Anyways, we gotta open this thing up.
I'm so excited.
Okay. Right here.
There's plastic on there. So.
There's a top. Maybe I can just.
You can't use it.
No, it's gonna break the plastic. Because I'm weak.
I know you are.
You got that, G.
I'm
How do I take this out?
weak too. I do beat you. You can defeat me, but I can beat 8, I think. Oh. But how do you open it? I'm gonna everybody close your eyes right now.
Wait, no. That's not how you open it.
How?
Wait.
How do you open it?
Bro, this is so freaking hard.
You boxed it? I don't know. Nice. Help us figure out how to open this when we finish. We don't spin it every time in this video, so let's do this. I hope you
Why
have.
are these ones so hard to open? Jeez, like I did nothing to you, boy. Literally. I'm a crybaby, guys.
I know, boy. And you can
Why?
able.
Did you say I know she is? I got it!
Yay! Everybody heal and just Stormin. Yay, 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 yay. It's Stormin time. Yay. Hey, this is a kiss. What the heck? What's happening?
Look at it!
Wait!
It looks so fun to spin.
Let's spin it. Let's see what we get.
No. Okay. You spin first since you love it so much. I want to spin it.
No, I'm spinning it though. If we can get on
Okay,
to
no,
my
wait. Spin it. See what color you got.
2, 1. What did I do? I can't see.
You got green!
Let me see.
How do you?
Don't
Okay.
down the
Right here. There's a little handle. Open it.
It's mine till I get it. I don't. See it yours?
Oh, there's something else inside.
A bag. Nothing. It's another mystery bag, but it's more bigger. But there is a little.
Isn't this?
I know. I'm gonna give this that sticker to you.
Yeah, but who is this girl again?
Uh,
I'll open actually, right? Something like that. I'll open the stickers. You open the stickers, cause right here,
Okay.
right here. No, actually, right. Just stay right there. I'll open the stickers, and he's gonna open that.
There we go. Ugh. I'm gonna open it.
Just.
There we go.
Good dinosaur, Gus. We got Gus.
I know he's on the pixels.
No. Just kidding. Okay, so show Gus to everyone.
Right here. You can. He stays just right here.
Anyways, we got Alpha Lexi,
Right there. Then we got
Gus.
I don't know.
Then we got Ryan's Watch Superman. Something like that.
No, Superwoman.
Superwoman. He's that guy, bro. We got Ryan's Watch Skater Boy.
Okay.
Ryan's Watch Rock and Roll Boy. We literally have the same exact one.
I know, it's Peck. Peck, and I have a Peck toy.
This one's cool. I do not know his name, bro. I do not know his
Peck.
name.
I don't know his name too.
Let's just call him Ryan Monster. We got Combo Panda in the...
Is he a baby? No,
What was his name?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Tom Gator?
Gator. Let's just call him Gator, bro. Shocky.
It's so...
We got the dinosaurs.
I don't know who that is.
We got so many stickers.
And we don't...
Time my turn.
I hope you don't get...
feeling like I feel plastic.
I hope you don't
I'm
get...
so excited.
I hope you don't get me. Because they were no pee.
I got a green. Please don't be the same one. No, it's not. Only got one.
Today, I'm gonna deal with the tickles this year. And I only don't want to do that. Can you take that
I'm
out?
still trying to figure out what it is.
Is it round?
It's a bouncing ball.
No. Is it round?
That's what it said.
That? Are you serious?
Yeah, it's a bouncy ball, but it won't.
Bond.
Because we have this. Let me try. Ah! Oh, you see that? You see that?
I'm just gonna ball.
Ah! Go get the ball!
It's under the table. Don't worry, I'm gonna get it. Okay. It's on the table.
Uh-huh.
It's on the table.
What happened to your stickers?
Where was it? Did you see where it?
Oh, no. I don't know where that is.
It's supposed to be on my toy. I said,
Fine! This is my side then. Has
I
it been
don't
on the
like
whole
that.
time? Okay, your turn to spin. Spin it! Spin it! Spin it!
one.
That was the weakest spin.
So we have to spin again.
Yeah. Spin again, boy. Spin
Oh!
it like that.
No, you just.
You got white! Oh, I wanted to get white. There's no pink grease in that one.
I know. See what we
Oh,
get.
this is freaking hard to open. Open it. Let's see what's inside.
Ugh!
Nothing else. Close that
Okay.
baby up.
And it's big. Big paper, big. It's only the side.
I think it's another bouncy ball! Okay, that bouncy ball was so cool. Mine is gonna bounce higher than yours.
I know.
Let's do a contest so sure can bounce higher.
And where is it? These, did you see where we went? It's probably went over here.
Haha, then mine's good. Stay right here. I'll go get it. Hey, sorry, come. Cousin, come. Cousin, come. Cousin, come.
That's fine.
No, just hold the bouncy ball. I know
That's
what the other one.
fine.
I know what the other one is. Come sit down. Sit down. I know what the other one is.
It's over there.
Anyways, let's do it.
It,
Mine is red. I didn't know what you're talking.
no, mine is yellow.
Oh my god, this is mine. Anyway,
Let's
let's spin it with my turn.
see what you get.
White. Maybe it's not a duplicate like last time.
Hopefully.
Wow, this is hard to open.
Does anyone know?
There's something inside!
Yes! Yay! The reason I have more stuff than you. You only don't.
Odd.
One.
It's only because you got like 2 out of 3. Let's see what I get. I got Alpha Lexi! She's wearing a crown. She's the queen of the what?
Oh, you
She's
take
the queen of
mommy.
the what?
You take mommy.
She's the queen of the...
And the toy is have that on.
Yeah, but I think it's just Alpha Lexi with that on. Alpha Lexi! You know I am the champion. I am the champion.
No,
I am the champion.
You
I
are.
am the champion.
You are.
About-
Because you.
Anyways, it's time for you to spin it. Spin the wheel.
Wait.
The wheel.
Wait. Face it. 3, 2, 1.
White. I think it's gonna be duplicate.
I know.
Yep. Spin again.
3.
Spin that
Different way. I did it different way.
wheel. You got green.
Okay, I got the
Why do we keep getting duplicates? Anyway, spin that wheel.
Yeah!
You got blue.
I tell you, open another then.
The something is.
Let's do it.
Did you get double again?
You can have it. Wait. Who's this
Take
thing?
it out, boy.
Who's this final thing?
I'll open the stickers. I think this has a spin.
I mean, it is the same. I will be stealing myself.
Oh, talk about the stickers. The stickers. Yeah, Alpha Lexi. This one, the dinosaur. That one.
I'll give all of the stickers to you.
That one.
You can have them.
That one. Okay, just put them in the pile. I'll open it to you.
It's you right there. We mean you. Wait, where's the hose? There. I opened out another. Wait, I saw. Wait, is that? Wait, is that Ryan? I thought it's Ryan. That I'm keeping this. You can have the stickers. Be there.
Anyways.
Oh my gosh! I'm the king.
I am the queen.
No,
I am the queen.
actually Ryan is.
I am the ruler of the world.
Wait, pause.
Of the
Pause
world.
today.
What is that game?
Actually, this is the team.
This is the queen. Anyways,
And the
hold
king.
my character. I mean, no, I hold my queen.
Your turn.
Which color do we get? We got green. Please don't be a duplicate. That's it. We're gonna open the other green. I'm just kidding. Spin that wheel. I got a blue. Spin that wheel. You better not give me a duplicate this time.
You better get it
Green.
different. Hey, yeah.
We got orange. Wait, I don't think we have opened this one. Key.
Ding. Just do
I feel like it's kind of big. It feels like a bouncy ball.
I hope you don't let me not a bouncy ball.
Then I have two bouncy balls and then I will. It's a bouncy balls combo panda.
No.
I'm so sorry, guys. Are you guys okay? Did you guys get hit?
I wanted to talk
Just call my name.
about Did I have it, please? I'll take you for this. I wanted to walk.
At the end of the day, we will still have the same exact. We will share them together. It's so cool. It's black,
I yelled
yellow, red. Anyways, this is the bar. Doesn't bounce either.
Whoa. Oh, that was big.
Anyways, spin that wheel, Grayson.
3, 2, 1, go. Dip. No, it did.
Just go.
That was a weak one. There we go. Yes, open it.
Another blue. Finally, just open it. Let me feel it. Kind of feels like an eraser, but.
Wait, Jimmy, it's mine. I let you open it.
We already opened these two. We opened these three. We opened these four. I never saw that. We opened this one. We opened this one. We opened this one.
I thought it's spin. Yuck.
We opened that one.
Yes, I got a combo panda
It's a
team.
combo fan. The combo panda fidget spinner. Two different faces. Look, this one
This one
and
is
this one.
That's
There's actually, yeah, it's so cool. Let me see it. Look,
Can I have it? Because
look
mine.
at it. I know, but let me just spin it for the crowd. Looks so cool. My turn to spin that
I'm
wheel.
gonna my pinapino. I don't care what you did.
So this one is happy.
Whoa, I would hop on it.
I can just.
Ow! My pinapino fell.
It broke?
No. You get it.
We're running out of options, guys.
I know. We already have 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we have 1, 2,
No, there's not that much left.
5, 6. We got 6 left.
Look at it. Oh. Ooh, I got 2 things finally.
I wish I had 2 teams then.
But you had it 4 times. I mean 2 times.
What is it? What is that? Anyway. That was on the...
Oh my god. It's a mystery wheel action card. Of course, like a bunch of cards, make your own Ryan's World card.
Okay.
That's cool.
We can make all the stuff.
Time to open up. It feels very small. I think it's a figure.
I hope it's
Are you kidding me? I opened it wrong. Gotta use our trusty scissors.
What? What? Do you like it?
I know. Anyways, we got a Ryan's World Purple toy. I said it reminds him of that guy from Lanky Box.
If you want him to talk to the channel and make him a 1,000 yikes! Thank you.
Yeah.
You do.
So Justin from Lanky Box reminds him, we got a pizza party. Ryan with Papa here. And the party up.
Oh, this is not Ryan. This is not Ryan. This is one of the doors, but he can't
Open
get
it. I think there's only, let me see. We open that one. 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 No. No. No.
Nothing. Yes. We already did that. We already did that. We already did that.
Okay, there's only 2 left, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. I opened that one.
Spin that wheel.
Yeah! Let's see what I got.
Got yellow. You got what I got. And you got a mystery figure too.
No. This is a big.
Here, I'll open this for you. Wait, we got another pack of it, but it's not, instead of making it on, it's the actual game.
Yes! Pull out this in.
Oh, let's play the game after we open. Oh, there's one called Hot Potato with the bouncy balls. I'm so excited to play. Hurry up and open it.
3, 2, 1.
Open it.
Yes!
Panda!
Yes! Yes!
Oh my gosh. Now
Wait.
I'm going to show it to the viewers.
His head is sick. His face is sick. Why is he like that? He's so cute like that.
My time.
You don't know that anything that's in this.
Yellow, I think we already opened this one.
Yep.
Gotta do weak spins. Orange.
Okay. Dang it! I don't need that acting.
This is the last one, I think. I think this is the last one.
No, you don't have one move, right?
It's the penguin guy!
That's
Are you not happy?
That's not his name. It's back.
Whatever he said, guy! Hey, I'm so happy!
What is it that? Wait, what's this small one?
Look at all my characters
Can you
I
read
got.
this?
It's not... Just, boy, you can't read it. I'm sorry. Not trying to. It says match them game. This is how you play the game. The game is played. Oh, I did not understand what that said. Anyways, wait. Time to see if this is the last one, guys. So, when we see this orange again, not that one, again. Okay, so, orange, check, yellow, empty, white, empty, blue, empty, green empty, yellow empty,
That's all.
orange empty, yellow empty, white empty, blue empty, green empty. It's empty, guys. We finished the wheel!
That was actually... I think this was the best one I done.
Time to play.
This game.
Okay. Let's pick one. Let me. What we got?
Wait. Me first.
Go.
Me first. Guys, I'm so excited. I just want to take
Pick
off
one,
my hat.
boy. Oh, not
I'm
that
going to
time.
do this one.
Wait, don't. I got dance party, dance for 10 seconds. Guys, I'm so bad at this. He got freeze. Freeze in a place with your friends. Last one to move wins. Okay, so I guess all this is basically like the same, but we'll do freeze dance first. Move the chairs.
Wait.
Stand up, boy. Over here. Over here.
In the face. It says move in the face.
So let me just sit down because I'm super tall. Anyways, we're not that tall in real life. Though. Only like 5 something anyway. Dance for 10 seconds. But we're doing yours first. Freeze dance. Freeze! Don, 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 don. Freeze!
Yeah.
Don, 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 don. Freeze! Don, 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 don. Freeze! Oh no, I lost.
I won. Hey,
I gotta dance for 10 seconds, but you just sit down. So
Okay.
move your... chill back. I think that's good. Let me dance for 10 seconds. I want to move it.
1,
I love
2,
to move. Move. Everybody look to your left. Everybody look to your right. Can you feel that beat? We're playing with love tonight.
Don't be down the yellow jacket.
Now there's something.
That's enough. I feel like you're ready to dance.
Prizes. Yeah, I love that dance. Anyways, let's pick another one.
Okay. Hey, you have one more.
No, boy, calm down. Read it. Pick one, I mean. Hurry up! 5. This one. Hopefully, hot potato. I got hot potato!
I was the first one.
See what you got? You got staring contest. Oh my god, I'm so bad at that.
I don't know it.
Oh
You
my
don't
gosh.
get I don't rap.
Sometimes it says whoever blinks last is the winner. But I can only do cross-eyed. Whatever it's called. Okay. Hot potato. Spin the spinner and pass the ball as fast as you can. When the spinner stops, whoever's holding the spinner is out of the game.
Wait, holding the pencil.
I think it means the ball. I don't know. Let's do the staring contest first.
Okay, because it's more easier.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is so, oh my god, that's so bad. Let me pass this. Oh, I'm already out. Okay, 3.
2.
Oh, my eyes are getting watery.
3.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
2.
What? 1. I'm sorry, I'm about to blink.
Yes, I won.
I didn't even blink.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
Let's just play again. Oh my.
No, I won.
But I didn't even blink.
I'm watching you.
You can't cover your eyes. Okay, 3, 2,
I'm not ready.
1. Boy, you open your eyes. 3, 2, 1. You just blinked like 5 times. Anyways, comment down below who you saw blink first.
In the fourth round.
I don't know if I blink. Maybe I did. Anyways.
How
so we
is
got it. I'm gonna play hot potato. Okay, which spot should we use? The combo panda one.
I am not
Okay.
paying. I'm not paying.
This is how you play hot potato.
I am not paying. That's hard. With the pin.
All you gotta do is spin the wheel and then we pass it.
But
How is that hard?
when the pin on top, whoever holding it is out of it and the other person wins.
No, it's just not like that, Christian. You still in the video even if you lose. Just come.
I know. But yeah, I want to win.
You're probably gonna win anyways.
Yeah. Okay? I don't. Go, Jason, go.
Grayson, just shut up.
Wait, let me yarn this up.
5 hours later. Bye! Choppy chop!
Peace. Do you have the bowl?
I want to put the spinner right here, so...
We can't see.
No, I'm just going to put it right here. Come closer. Ah! Damn! It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
The model.
I'm going to spin as fast as I can. Go! Have a tape! Mommy, spin! Thank you!
No, dang it!
I lost.
No, I know. I see you.
I lost.
That means I get all
I think I lost. Let's play one more round.
I hope I win. I got two. I'm doing for the last one.
Let's read yours first this time. It says do 10 jumping jacks.
I don't know how to do that.
Just put your chair back.
No, I don't know how to.
That doesn't mean anything. You don't have to do it like good. Just stand on the floor. Okay, what do you think jumping jacks is?
It's like that and you move your feet.
No, all you have to do is just do this. Because
Okay.
we don't have space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, Elise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I'm
10.
tired.
Tell a funny joke or story.
If you make me mad,
It's not gonna
you
be
win.
funny,
on the fourth.
Just sit
On
down.
the fourth.
It's not gonna be funny, but he might laugh. Let me think. A story. Okay. Once upon a time, a pig went oink oink. I don't get how it's not funny.
Do the
Well,
rest of the
I
story.
made him laugh, and then the pig died. But before he died, he said oink oink oink. Okay. Let me tell you something else. I had a dream that we moved out of the house, and I started crying because I was looking at all the memories on my mom's phone, and when I woke up from my dream, I sounded like. So that's based on a true story.
You almost made me pee my pants.
How was that? I'm not even gonna ask how was that funny. Let's play one more game because I literally love this game. There's 4 more. We can play 2 more rounds. Anyway, pick your card.
3, 2, 1.
Pick this one.
Wait.
Just pick the freaking card. 5 years later. Let's read yours first. You got floss. Do the floss dance for 5 seconds.
Wait, what's the boss? I don't know how to do that.
Just stand up and just move your arms. I don't know.
Do this.
Yeah, I don't even know how to do it.
Do this.
Yeah, but do it sitting down because they can't see you.
Ooh. I'm moving. So you say
My turn.
jumping jacks.
Yeah,
1, 2.
Matching game. This is how the game is played.
I have to do this.
What does that mean? We're just not going to do it. Anyways, pick your card, the last one. Just call my name.
Wait.
I try to use going forward. Jump on one leg 5 times. You know how to do that, and don't say you don't know.
Feet.
Put one leg up.
And you done. 1, 2.
Let's show the camera though, because they can't really see. Stand on the chair. I'll hold you so you don't fall. Okay, put one leg up. Jump.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it. That was easy.
Not easy for me to hold you the whole time. Okay, that was yours. Can you juggle all 3 rhymes or bars for 5? Bro, the least thing, if someone asks me, can you juggle? I will always say no. Even if they say, would you like to juggle for $1 million? I will say no because this is my juggling, bro. I can't even.
Hey, you did it. You did it for 1 time. You did it 0 times, actually.
I'm very bad.
I know. Me too. I think I'll do a story.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching our video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and support all the other channels out there.
Yeah.
Because you know they be making that money. And then you have us. I sit by myself. But don't worry, guys. We don't care about the money. Put it to the side. Then pretend this is the money. Goodbye. I love my channel more than the money.
Ooh. I have money better on channel.
Money is good for the channel, so like we can buy toys and do it for our channel. Yeah, it's good and all, but our viewers don't really care about that. Like they watch our channel and it's like they like it, and that's why all our subscribers out there, we love you. Like, thank you for subscribing. Like, we don't have that many subscribers. That doesn't mean anything. Like, never give up on your dream, guys. Like,
I want 1,000 likes on this video. Why not?
never give up on your dream, guys. Like,
And B.
our goal is to hit 1K, but real time, I really want to hit 1 million. Like, I just want to be popular, guys.
No, you want to hit infinity.
Anyways,
Ew.
guys, thank you guys
All
so
the-
much for watching this
I know
video.
all of the people in this world watching this video is the time during the death, more and infinity yikes.
That's what he said. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching video.
And thank you
These
for
stickers are
dying.
busted. Anyway,
I'm
guys,
not-
thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And the
I'm not
that
your
subscribe
Daisy.
bell turn gray. Yeah, the button that says subscribe.
Make
It better turn
it,
gray.
make it
I
to
better
red.
get like 10 followers.
You better hit it to well today.
And hit the
Hit
like
the
button
button.
to support. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. You know, we love you. What should we call our viewers?
Fans. Go fans, watch that video.
Like, know a name. Like, we'd be like, hey, hey, Hot Wheels, what's up? No, like, okay, say, hey, Daisies. I like that. I like that, Daisies.
Hey, Mom.
Bye, Daisies. We're calling you Daisies from on now.
No, mateys.
Mateys, Daisies. Anyways, bye, matey, Daisies. Bye.
Bye,
Just bye.
matey.
Okay, just bye already. We love making our videos. You know we love them. Like, wow.
We are done with this. Turn this camera off.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Press that button.
This one?
Not yet.
This one?
That red button. Wait.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. You know we love you. Bye.